Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. Let's check out some of these bigger companies. I'm going to go ahead and start with Amazon. So what you'll notice is we did have kind of a here a little breakout area right there, and now we've been moving a little bit sideways in this recent, I would say, consolidation pattern. So let's just here, sideways consolidation pattern. You do have your resistance over here. You've got your support right here. This was our earlier resistance. So the stock seems like it wants to go higher. You do have some bearish volume right there where we had a little bit of trouble. But now as we look at this bullish volume that's coming in, the bullish volume that's coming in, is a bit weak. So that's what I would be a little more careful about and just be a little more cautious about, because you've got this volume right here that's coming in, but it's a little bit weak. So if you're looking for a break, I would wait until this breaks to the upside in a way, and that's kind of what you're looking for. So that's why I'd say I'm a little more neutral on this stock, just simply because we're going sideways, the volume's not there. You want a nice big healthy break on volume to see higher prices. Otherwise, the breaking out point was moving well at the beginning here, but now it's slowly just dying down. So I would just be a little more cautious. Dollar General, some people are definitely looking into this one because a lot of people that lost their jobs are shopping at cheaper areas or cheaper stores. They're making adjustments to their living, and what you'll notice here is you've got some significant bullish volume that's kind of picking up, and that's what you're noticing here. You're also seeing a little bit of a breakout here. You know, I think it's still early, but I think it's a good early. You've got nice wide price spread. That's a good sign. The bars are big, so you could see both of these bars right there. They're very good, very healthy, and it's starting to move right after a nice sideways consolidation pattern. Because after you get a sideways move and then you get a move higher, that's good because you've had some digestion and some sideways action, and that's what's happening here. So I would say I'm bullish on this stock, and I think it can continue to ramp up into higher prices. Let's take a look at Square, which is another one that I wanted to share with you that's also kind of hitting its tops. A little bit of these big companies, as you know, are kind of hitting these top levels, and you can see there's our resistance level, and we've had some support here. So overall, it's been moving very, very well. I've been bullish on the stock, but now I'm a little more neutral because you're hitting, you are hitting resistance levels, at which point this stock reversed multiple times. And you can see what happened at each one of these resistance points right there, where this stock was acting up. So right now we're right at it again. Can we break? I don't know. I think if you're pushing at all-time highs again, I think that would be a tough stretch, but you never know. The market or the individual stock could perform better than expected. The volume has been there, but I think you're again, you've hit 1, 2, 3 times, getting into 4 where it's been rejecting. So we will see if this time's different. I don't know, but be very careful right here at this level, because now you're starting to get some wiggle room and playing around. I would wait until it clears those levels to get into it. Tesla, one that's here we've had resistance. So take a look. There's resistance. Here is resistance in this level. You can see we've been kind of compressing a little more like a triangle pattern here. We are breaking out, but the problem is the bullish volume here on the break is not a typical Tesla break. And when you look at this, a little bit of an area of concern, especially with this overhead resistance right here. Even though we are breaking out, it is a bit of concern because the volume is not there. So you've got a chart where you've got the pattern where it's breaking, that's 1. You've got the price, that's 2, but you don't have the volume or the wide price spread. So you don't have that third factor. You've got just 2 out of 3, and that's where this is a little bit of a concern. So be very careful here. I'd say neutral, because you don't have a strong break. You've got a break, but it's not a strong break. So be careful with a stock like this, especially that's volatile. Okay, so there you go. I hope you got some good insight from watching this little video clip of what's inside the member section. It's kind of like a little video preview. And I hope you go ahead and join us and sign up, because that way you'll brush up and learn a little bit more about the technicals, how the market works, and just how stocks move and behave. Now, if you want to go ahead and join us, go ahead and go to the TradersFly website and go to that members section right here. So it's tradersfly.com, and then you can head on over to the members section. If you just want to go ahead and grab some freebies, feel free, go to the freebies section. There's a ton of freebies over here as well. And you could go ahead and knock your socks off and download all those if you want. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe by clicking the link right here, or join us on the newsletter list so that way you get notified as we release other great things, webinar announcements, that kind of stuff, by clicking the link right here. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.